When we are together, what's the meaning of together? Together means together, ekwa ekata, right, together. When we are together, api ekata innakota. Sasantha visited his best friend Ram during the school vacation. Visited balanna giya, right, during the school vacation. He played cricket sellam kara with Ram and his brother Sham. Ram's mother Savitri served them some snacks and tea, right? ඒගොල්ලන්ට තේත් එක්ක ඔන්න කන්න බොන්න දුන්නා. Boys tea time. Okay mother, give us 5 minutes. It's the last over. ඔන්න අවසාන ඕවරේ සෙල්ලම් කරන්න. Come soon children. Otherwise the Vade, right? Come soon children. ඉක්මන කියන්නේ otherwise the Vade will get cold. නැත්තම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Vade සීතල වෙයි. Vade, I love them. මම කැමතියි, but we buy it from a cafe. Your cafe එකෙන් ගෙනාවි. Does auntie make them at home? Vade, I love them, but we buy it from a cafe. අපි ඒවා cafe එකෙන් ගන්නෙ. Does auntie make them at home? Auntie ගෙදර හැදුවද? Yes, she makes the best vade in the world. ලෝකෙ තියෙන හොඳම වඩේ හදන්නේ එයාලගේ අම්මා. Don't you mother? Right? If you say so. එහෙමද? Wash your hands and come in. අත හොදා එන්නකෝ එනම්. They are very tasty auntie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Now that we have had our tea, shall we play a game? අපි game එකක් සෙල්ලම් කරමු. What do you have in mind? What do you have in mind? මොකක්ද තියෙන අදහස? Usually when we get together අපි එකතු වුණාම we play chess, carom, ludo. We also solve riddles, right? That sounds wonderful. නියමයි. මොනවා තමයි games ඒගොල්ලෝ කරන්නේ. I have a collection of riddles. We can solve them now. Mother, will you join us? අම්මවත් එනවද කියලා අහනවා. No son, I can't. I have to prepare lunch. මම lunch prepare කරන්න එපා. What's for lunch mother? මොනවද කෑමට දවල්ට ගන්න? Well, since we have a guest today, අද guest ලා ඉන්න නිසා, I thought of making puri with potato and dosa with sambar, and we have payasam for dessert. ළමයි බලන්නකෝ, meals තුනම different. Puri Tamil නේද තමයි, potato and dosa with sambar, එකත් එහෙමයි with payasam for dessert. Dessert එකට payasam. Wow, but that's a very good menu. I hope my friends will enjoy it. මං හිතනවා යාළුවෝ මේවා කයි කියලා. Okay? What were the boys doing when mother bought them tea? They were playing cricket. Number 2, what did they have for tea? Vade, homemade vade. Homemade vade, right? Third one, what was special about it? Homemade. What are they planning to do after tea? Chess, carom, ludo, riddles. What were they have for lunch? Puri with potatoes, payasam for dessert, right? Where do fish keep their money? In the river bank. What room can no one enter? Mushroom. Feed me and I live, yet give me a drink and I die. Fire. Number 3, fire. Take off my skin. I won't cry, but you will win. What am I? Skin එක ගලවන්නලු. මම අඬනවා, but you will. What am I? Onion. What is at the end of a rainbow? Little up. What has one eye but cannot see? Needle. This belongs to you but is used more by others. Your name. Hansamal woke up in the morning and looked at the clock. It was 7 o'clock. He jumped out of his bed. Hansamal woke up in the morning. Hansamal උදේම නැගිට්ටා. And looked at the clock. වෙලාව බැලුවා. It was 7 o'clock. 7යි. He jumped out of his bed. And then penna. ඕගොල්ලෝ වගේ තමයි. Right? Oh no, it's late. පරක් වෙලා. He ran to have a shower. ඔන්න wash එකක් දාගන්න දිව්වා. He brushed his teeth. that meant සටපට ගාලා එහාට මෙහාට දෙපාරයි. In no time washed himself swiftly. And ඉක්මනින් හොදගත්තා swiftly කියන්නේ වේගෙන්. And was back in his room within seconds. අපර ගානේ ආපහු කාමරේට ආවා. ඕගොල්ලෝ වගේම තමයි ළමයි. Oh, look at my shoes. They need to be polished. But I have no time. He said to himself. අයියෝ සපත්තු පොලිෂ් කරන්න බෑ. සපත්තු පොලිෂ් කරන්න බෑ. වෙලාව නැහැ. Hansamal ran out of the house in hurry. ගෙයින් එළියට පැන්න Hansamal. His mother was outside sweeping the garden. අම්මා මිදුලතුව ගා ඉන්නවා. Hansamal, wait, where are you running? කොහෙද දුවන්නේ? ඉන්න. Mother, I have to go, it's late. I will miss the bus. මට බස් එක මිස් වෙයි, මම ඉක්මනට යනවා. Wait Hansamal, don't run. දුවන්න එපා ඉන්න. උන් අම්මා කෑ ගන්නවා. Mother, don't worry. I had my breakfast. මම breakfast එක ගත්තා. Said Hansamal and didn't wait for his mother to speak. අම්මා කතා කරගෙන හිටියේ නෑ. මොකද කරේ? පැනලා දිව්වා. ඉස්කෝලේ යන්න දුවනවා දැන්. When he went to the bus stop, his friends were not to be seen. යාළුවෝ නෑ bus stand එකේ. Oh no, it looks like the school bus has already left. එන school bus එක ගිහිල්ලා. Already. දැනටමත් ගිහිල්ලා. Maybe I can catch the next bus, right? The bus wasn't crowded as it usually is. Hansamal thought to himself, bus එක crowd නෑනේ වෙනද වගේ. Within a few minutes, he was in school. ඉස්කෝලේට ගියා. He looked around. වටපිට බැලුවා, there was nobody. කවුරුත් නෑ ඉස්කෝලේ. Where are the students? කොහෙද ශිෂ්‍යයෝ? Where are the prefects who are generally here in the morning? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මොදේ ගේට්ටුව ළඟ ඉන්න prefect ලත් නැහැ. Hansamal was baffled. දැන් මවිත වෙලා ඉන්නේ. He thought of going for the morning assembly. Morning assembly ගිහිල්ලා ඇති. In the playground. But there is a group of girls playing netball in the playground. ළමයි ටිකක් netball ගන්නවා. Where are the students in our school? එච්චරද අපේ ඉස්කෝලේ ඉන්නේ? Why is it quiet today? අද මොකද සංසුන්? Hansamal thought. Hansamal හිතුවා. He thought of going his classroom, පන්තිට යන්න හිතුවා, to keep his bag at 7 o'clock. What time did he do after he woke up? He looked at the clock. He woke up in the morning and looked up the clock, jump out of his bed, have a shower, brushed his teeth, washed himself. What was unusual about this day? මොකද unusual මොකද අසාමාන්‍යතාවය මොකද මේකේ? No anyone in the bus halt. It was a holiday. What would have happened if he had talked to his mother in the morning? He would not come school or ඉස්කෝලේ එන්න නැතු ඉන්න තිබුණා නේද ළමයි?